In math today, we're going to be practicing our teen numbers and counting forward from a number within 15. So let's go over our DLO. We'll look at our number chart, a chart that you have at home, and then we're going to practice counting forward. Today I will count forward from any number within 5. Now it's your turn. Today I will count forward from any number within 15. Before I said 5, it's 15. So let's look at our number chart that I wrote here. You can use a few different things at home. At home, you can use your name tag. You have a number chart that goes 0 to 20. Or you could use the chart that we sent home. Yours doesn't look like mine with a blue border, but we put it in a clear plastic sleeve in your skill practice binder. So you can see we've got all the numbers all the way to 100, but we're just going to focus on 1 through 15. So first, let's practice counting 1 to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we'll stop there. Up here, I wrote all the way to 20 just so that you could see the other teen numbers, and I tried to break it up so you could see. So we're going to be practicing counting forward from any number. So what that means is if I point to the number 5, we're going to count up from 5. So if I start at 5, we'll count up 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's pick a different number. 13. We'll count up from 13. From 13, we go 13, 14, 15. Today, what you're going to be doing is writing the numbers that I tell you to write, and then you're going to write the next 2 numbers that come after. Because when we assess you on this skill, we want to know if we tell you a number, you can tell us the next number or the next couple numbers. So if I said point to 10, what's 1 more than 10? And I would go 1 more, 11. Or if I said point to 12, start counting up from 12. 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is how you're going to practice it in your book today. We're not using our math book. You're just using a piece of paper or your journal. So open up your journal, and you're going to write these numbers down the side of your journal. I want you to write 10, and then if there's a line here, then the next line, we'll just do the next couple, but I'll read them to you in a second. 10, and then we'll say 8, 12. We'll just practice these 3 for now, and then there's 3 more that you'll also write in your journal. You can use your name tag. If you want to help point and count to the numbers, you can use your hundreds chart to point and count to the numbers. So let's start with number 10. And we'll use this chart right here, 10. I'm going to point to 10. I want to know the next 2 numbers. So if I were to count up from 10, I would say 10, 11, 12. So that's what I'm going to write. 10, finger space, 11, 12. I wrote them in order because I counted forward from any number within 15. So I started with 10. 10, 11, 12. Let's do number 8 together. If I find 8 on my number line here, I need to know the next 2 numbers if I counted forward, counting up. 8, 9, 10. Let's try that. 8, and then 9. And then what comes next? 10. So if I count these numbers going up, starting with 8, I would say 8, 9, 10. Let's do one more. 12. Let's find 12 on my chart. Here it is, 12, a 1 and a 2. I'm going to count up. 12, 13, 14. So I've got 12. What comes next? 13. comes next? 14. We have our numbers 1 through 20 here. We're just focusing on 1 through 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I'll stop there. So in your book today,